Getting this TikTok error called "This content is age restricted slash protected" error on your iPhone? Don't worry, folks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this content is age restricted slash protected error on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open up TikTok app, then tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three line from the top right corner. After that, tap Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Content Preferences. Then tap Restriction Mode. Now simply tap on Turn Off from below. Then enter the passcode and tap Next. Here, you can select the reason for turning off, or you can skip it by tapping the cross icon from here. And that's it. This is the way you can solve the "This content is age restricted slash protected" TikTok error on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.